Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Jury Food Channel. Guess what? I decided to bake bread in my air fryer oven. In fact, in my housework air fryer oven, and I was not disappointed. Can you see this bread? Look how soft it is. The color, it just looks amazing, guys. You really need to try it. This is a quick bread and you are going to love it. So if you are interested in knowing how to bake bread in your air fryer oven, then I would advise you to keep watching my video. So let's get right into it. Let's bake some bread. Let's air fry some tasty bread. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 240 grams of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Then you need to add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, then some salt to taste. Next, mix the flour, salt and yeast together, and then add in about 250 ml of warm water. And by the way, this is a no knead bread. Next, mix it well until it forms a nice soft and sticky dough, just as you see here. This is the perfect dough. So we're done basically. So now we're just going to cover it with some cling film and let it sit and double up in size. So my dear friends, I am going to leave it somewhere in my kitchen where it's warm. So I came back to check on my bread dough after 45 minutes and look at this, it's tripled in size even. So now I'm going to grease my baking thing with some oil. And by the way, I got this one from Amazon and it's specially made for air fryer oven and it's so cute. Next, I am going to transfer the dough in my greased baking tin. So as you can see, it's very simple, very easy to do. There's no hard job in this. And then I am going to shake it or tap it just to even out the dough and to remove as much bubble as I can. So just a little shake. And then I'm going to sprinkle some more flour on it. You don't have to, but this is how I like to do it. And then last but not least, I am going to add a little bit of white roasted sesame seeds, and you don't have to add it if you don't like it. Next, I am going to leave it in my air fryer. It's turned off, okay, it's not turned off, and let it proof for a further 30 minutes. So we are back after 30 minutes and look at it. Yeah, it's doubled in size again. So now I am going to bake my bread at 190 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to be baking it for about 25 minutes. And if I need more minutes, I'll just adjust the time. So this is my houseworks air fryer oven. So let's get back and look, my quick air fried bread is ready and it looks amazing, it smells good. So I am going to take it out of the air fryer. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this perfect bread. So now I'm just going to cover it with some napkin for about 10 minutes just for it to cool down a little bit and to soften up. And let's take a look. This is it. It looks great, and look how soft it is. It's soft, it's crispy, it's crunchy, it's everything I like in a bread basically. So how about we cut it and look at the inside. See how smooth it is. Oh, I mean, it's just amazing. Now let's see. Voila, look at this perfect fresh bread. You can still see the steam coming out of it because it's so fresh, so nice and soft. Oh guys, I couldn't wait to taste it. So now let's cut ourselves a small slice. Just look how soft it is. Can you see that? Yes, this is an air fried bread baked in my houseworks air fryer. I just love this new one, and I think I'm going to use it like every day or every 2 days because it's just amazing. If it can bake such wonderful bread, oh my god, guys, you really need to get it. I'm just cutting a smaller piece now. I just want you to see how soft and how good this bread looks. This is a close-up for you. Yes, if you don't achieve this kind of bread when you're using your air fryer, just throw it away. Go and get yourself a houseworks air fryer. So this was my recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to get yourself the same air fryer oven as me, I'm just going to leave you the link. Don't forget that you have a discount as well, and go and get yourself a new air fryer oven, a good one, and get baking. Prepare a lot of things. Air fryer to me are the new best thing, the new essential appliance in the kitchen. So thank you all for watching my recipe, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and to leave me thumbs up. Bye bye and take care everyone.